Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope you guys had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Anthony. Good to see you, buddy. Welcome. Welcome, Anthony. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's get right into it here. The equity markets were flat today. Okay. All right. So up but flat. Okay. So S&P was up by 14 points. Okay. Nasdaq was up. Dow was up and the Russell was up. All right. What I want to start with this evening is Forex. All right. I think I sent this out. I posted this on our school community today that we're in some consolidation. Now, that doesn't mean you don't have some opportunities to trade. Okay. So we've kind of pulled back on sending out alerts until things start really moving again. The concern is on the daily time frame, guys. We have a lot of consolidation. So all these red, see these red symbols here, right? All that's consolidation there on the daily time frame. Okay. So that's something to really pay attention to there. Okay. So these are the only pairs, guys, we have that are moving higher here. And even with these, they're not moving much higher. Okay. All right. Hey, Antonio. Welcome, Antonio. Welcome. All right. On the 240, we do have consolidation here. All right. On the 240, not as much, not as bad as the daily time frame here. All right. But definitely things are slowing in Forex. Okay. So things are definitely slowing. So our monster scalper traders, our Forex dominator traders, just be aware of that. Okay. Same here on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, so that's a good bit of consolidation, guys. That doesn't mean you can look for opportunities. Okay, but we're going to kind of peel back a bit, slow things down with the alerts. Okay, and you guys know even prior to this, right? There've been a lot of choppiness. All right, a lot of indecision. Especially on the smaller time frame, on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, so just be aware of that. We are seeing good selling. All right, in the dollar pairs. Okay, so you might find some opportunities there. Let's take a look at the dollar index. All right, so the dollar index here, we do have a sell signal. It was breaking support here. All right, looks like it wants to recover that support line right here. Just be careful, okay? Like I said, I wouldn't stop trading. So, you trading monster scalper traders especially, okay? There are some opportunities, but just be careful. The pound pairs, will go through the pound pairs when we get to monster scalper, but we notice the pound pairs are moving long, so you might find some opportunities and some short opportunities too in the dollar pairs. Just be careful. Okay. All righty. Let's go through the markets. Okay, so the S&P, all right, S&P looks good, guys. We're breaking. Now we were slightly up today, but we are breaking through a big resistance here on the S&P, all-time highs. Okay, all-time highs on the S&P, just getting ready to break out here. Still holding a really good buy signal there on the S&P. Looks good. So our stock boss traders, bull master traders, right, you guys should be in position, right? So just because Forex isn't cooperating, right, go to your other trading systems. Okay, the Nasdaq looks good. Good price action on the Nasdaq here. All right, good price action. If we can break through this resistance here, which looks like we will, all right, we should get a buy signal here. Okay, and nice upward trend line here. So we need to break through that resistance, get another buy signal here on the Nasdaq. Okay, those of you who are savvy, right, been trading with us for a while, you might want to take a look at some options, right? So some QQQs options, okay? Long options on those, okay? All right. The Dow, we're looking for one more run, guys. One more run for to kind of finish up the cycle here, the buying cycle. which started in October. Okay, resistance is right here on the Dow. All right, so if we break through that resistance again, we're looking for a buy signal, and we are very close to all-time highs. You guys will see that as we go through some of these macro time frames, right? Larger time frames. The IWM. Hold on. All right, so the IWM still consolidating right here. We need buyers to come on in, break through that resistance here to get a buy signal. Okay, all right. The sectors are holding. All right, we have some red sectors in here. But I think which one was it? Communication services. We took a look at on Sunday, guys. Really moving. So especially our bull master traders really pay attention to that sector. All right, communication services right up here. We'll take a look at the sector right here. So ComServe. Oh, the VIX, guys. VIX is at 15. All right, 1535. It got as low as 14 and change. All right, let's see here. So yeah, communication services right here. It is breaking out. All right, so we found a lot of stocks, lots of opportunities on Sunday, and we did send those out to our traders. So really keep an eye on communication services. Okay, right here. That's it right here. Also financials. We saw financials breaking out. Financials is breaking out also. So we might take a look at the stocks in financials, but definitely communication services right here. Definitely breaking out. Financials. I think those are the only two that really you would want to trade. Gold. All right, but we're not seeing a lot of gold, basic material stocks coming out in gold for whatever reason. We should see more gold stocks coming out. And silver, where was silver? Silver is right here. All right, getting ready to break out there. Tech getting ready to break out. All right, not quite ready yet. Okay, this buy signal is still holding, right, based on the system. We did get red candles here to get out, but right, if we breaks through here, it already has its buy signal, so we could see tech move higher. Okay, telecom is moving really good here, right, looking to break through that resistance. We just don't have a lot of stocks in that sector there, but healthcare, nothing there, but definitely communication services right here, and financials. All right, financials setting up really nicely. Okay, so our stock boss traders, bull master traders especially, pay attention. All right, be aware. The max 7, our max 7 stocks. All right, hold on here. All right, so max 7 stocks. Meta is doing really well, guys. So it pulled back today, but buy signal here doing really, really well. Microsoft trading at a big support here on Microsoft. Nvidia, notice Nvidia is moving higher again. All right, so trading at 139. For Nvidia to really start moving, guys, it's got to get past 150. Okay. It's encouraging, right? It's getting off that support level, right? Green candles, but we need to break through that resistance there. Looks like it could do that. Apple is breaking through, right? So we could get a buy signal somewhere in here on Apple. That's really good. Good trend line here. Hold on. So equities, I know sometimes, we want to trade the market that we want to trade. So right now it's equities. Okay. Tesla has a sell signal here, guys. No, we did call we didn't send it out. We did a video on it, on a buy signal here, and that buy signal is still holding. Right, we need to get past resistance there. That's on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, but on the daily time frame, it's got a sell signal there. And the Google right here, sell signal. Okay, so the best trade right now, Meta, Facebook, Max 7s. Okay, the Dow daily time frame still holding near all-time highs, guys. We are right there. We just need one push. No, we haven't gotten it. We're not getting it yet. All right, but that's what we're hoping for. Okay, buyers are still holding right at that resistance level here. And that's as of, let's see here, that's back in December, right? Made that resistance here. That was your 5%, 5% correction. But they're holding, guys. They're holding right here. Okay. All right. Now, what's important here, you guys will see it doesn't really have, if it breaks through that resistance, that would be great. But just the fact that buyers are holding right here, okay, stocks are moving. All right. So you don't necessarily have to see the index really break out and move higher. As long as buyers are holding and we don't have like sellers holding that support level here, right? As long as we have the reverse, buyers are here, right at, you will see stocks move. Okay. And that's what we're seeing right now. Dow on the weekly time frame, same thing here, holding right at that big resistance there. Okay. On the monthly time frame on the Dow, same thing, guys. It just poised to break out. All right. On the S&P on the daily, see the daily here. See those buyers coming in there, guys, picking out right. All-time highs there on the S&P daily here. S&P weekly. Look at the weekly. This is why we pay attention. Look at that. Look at the candles here, right? Buyers are coming in there. S&P on the weekly and on the monthly right here. Okay. NASDAQ. So our stock traders and really our option traders too. You know, I don't say trade options very often. Okay. But boy, with what's setting up, some of these call options for these indexes could do well. We're not seeing that same type of price action on the US 30 though. Okay. All right, NAS on daily here. Here's the NAS on the daily looking to break out. So that's tech right there. And the weekly, same thing here on the weekly. Russell holding back for now, okay? But that's good. That's encouraging for the Russell, right? It's building up right here, holding right at that resistance level. We'll take that for the Russell there on the weekly and then on the monthly, okay? The dollar index, right? We talked about it, sellers, right? Red candle, that buy signal, right? That nice trade here in the dollar that closed. So, right, looks like it wants to recover that support line there, but we can certainly move lower there. If equities move higher, we could see the dollar move lower here. Here's the weekly, here's the monthly here. And pound yen is consolidating. Just be aware of that. Okay, so pound yen is in a tight consolidation. That's not helping Forex, guys. All right. You guys saw the radars. You saw the chart. That's not helping. All right. So we could see a bit more squeezing, right? This triangle right here. So we could see price continue to get squeezed. All right. Between this downward trend line, support right here. All right. And at this point, that's what we would hope to have happen, right? Price gets squeezed and then finally break through either to the upside or to the downside. So expect further consolidation unless we get data and we break out, okay? All right, let's go to current positions. Now, we don't have a lot, okay? We don't have a lot here. All right, current positions in Monster Scalper on the 240. We don't have any on the 60. Long or short. We do have longs and short on the 240. Let's take a quick look here. Yeah, I had one of our traders contacted me with Forex today. Didn't do well. All right, so just be careful. So CAD yen, buy signal here, guys. Broke support, red candle, close the trade, please. So CAD yen. That was the euro yen, same thing. Buy signal here, fail. They're failing. Broke support, red candle here, close the trade. Would have been nice. Good markdown phase. Every good setup. Good setup. Right. The target was here. That failed. So euro yen. New Zealand yen, same thing. Buy signal here, red candle. Close the trade, please. Aussie yen. All right, buy signal. It's still holding right here. Keep an eye on it. Choppy. Look at this market, guys. Look at that. Choppy, choppy, choppy. And not just the Aussie yen, right? A lot of these pairs, a lot of consolidation. All right. We'll leave this for now. So if you're trading these markets with this, you just, I know sometimes we think it's right, we're doing something wrong. We can do everything right, but if the market isn't cooperating, okay, so don't blame yourself. If you're following the process, right, and you're having difficulty, it's the market's consolidating, okay. All right. Especially new traders, right? New traders with us. Okay. All right. On shorts on the 240. All right. Shorts on the 240. USD HUF. Sell short signal is here. That's holding firm for now. Keep an eye on this yellow support and resistance. So we are definitely overbought. When you see that, we want purple support and resistance, the markdown phase. So yellow support and resistance, just know buyers are trying to come in. All right, we might be over. So keep an eye on it. USD PLN. All right, sell short signal is here. That's holding. That's what we want to see. Purple support and resistance. So that's good here. We need to see price come back down. USD DKK. All right. Sell short signal is here. I think we called it right about here. White candles, I would definitely keep an eye on that. We need this candle here or the next few candles we need sellers to come on back down. Okay. All right. Keep an eye on that. USD DKK. Okay. Did we do SGD? SGD we did. And USD CZK, the last one here. Same thing here. Sell short signal is here. We do have support. Big support here. Okay. So you see white candles coming in here. We need red candles to come on back down, guys. This is one you want to pay close attention because right now they're holding support here. Okay. They're holding support here on the 240. Keep an eye on that. Okay. Buyers could come in and really have to struggle to get out because buyers could come in. We do have resistance up here now. Okay. We'll leave it now for educational purposes. But if you're trading this, you might want to just get on out, okay? Because this is where buyers came in before here. All right. Although it's sloppy, it's not pretty, but they came in, right? Came in here, pushed that price all the way back up to that resistance level here, and then also here. All right, and here, so you could see buyers come in. So these are not great trades, guys. Okay. So don't bet the farm on these. All right. On Forex Dominator, we've got some shorts here on the daily time frame. So USD PLN. All right. Sell short signal is here. This one is working out fine so far. There's support right here. That's the target. USD HUF. All right, sell short signal here, holding firm so far. Dollar CAD. All right, sell short signal here, holding. And USD SEK, sell short signal here, holding. And target all the way down here, right? Would be nice if we get a move like this all the way back down to that support. If it happens, guys, if you ever get a trade like this, gets all the way down here, right? Once it gets to that support level there, just move it to a smaller time frame to maximize your trade and get out early. Okay. All right, that's it for Forex. Let's go through equities. And we'll start with Stock Boss. we expect most of these trades to hold, but we'll see. I mean, we haven't had selling in equity, so most of these should hold. All right, so stock boss, so small caps. Remember, this is the Russell. All right, so smaller stocks here. All right, so we're looking for white candles will hold right now. Okay, the market is holding, so white candles will hold for right now. Red candles will um, call a sell. White arrow will call a sell. So mark down, mark up. Oh, come on. All right. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. All right. We might have some resistance here. ASM looks good there. HL, red candle. Let's close that. Get rid of that there. Okay. All right. SATL, that's holding. ZGN, that's holding there. EC, look at EC, got a nice bounce. All right. Buy signal here. Good move here. Look at that. Good markdown phase there. All right, that's holding. Remember, white candles now, we're a bit bullish, right? So white candles we can hold on. ITUB holding nice markdown phase. Look at that right here, right? And moving up nicely there. All right. All right, let's keep going. This is a stock boss, right? All right, moving higher there. Holding firm. Holding firm. Good move there. Holding firm. That's holding. All green candles we want to see. VSTM, white candle. We'll hold that. Holding. Holding. Not a great chart there. Holding. All right, this looks good. Holding. We have some services in here. COMP, that's breaking out there. That's good there. Holding. Look at that. All right. LFMD, that's breaking out there. And PBI, that's breaking out. So not bad in stock boss, considering the Russell guys is still kind of consolidating there. Okay. I want to take a look at Bull Master. Moving forward, I don't know if we'll do a lot with Bull Master Pro. As the market moves higher, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right, Bull Master. We get a lot of action in Bull Master. All right, lots of services. We do have some financials in here. All right, but services all through right here, guys. All through here, services. All these are services. Communication services. Look at that. All these stocks here. All right, so there's definitely a move. You guys saw the sector. We have a buy signal in the sector there. Okay, so let's go through these here. This is Bull Master. All right, holding. Good. All right, good. 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 Buy signal there, good. All green. We just that's what we want. We want green. All right. All right. White candle here. We'll hold on for that for now. Breaking out there. Good. Look at that. Good. These are financials here. Good. They're buying. Look at this, guys. They're buying. Look at that. FOUR. Look at that. GS. Goldman Sachs, right? They're buying. All right. So that's where capital is right now, and things we really haven't broken out on these indexes. Or imagine we break out on these indexes. All right, healthcare, some healthcare here. They're moving out. These are alerts we've sent out already. All right, AT&T. Look at that here. These are services here. So, Anthony, I know Anthony trades this. So find your spots, guys. DUOL, look here. All right, this one here, EDR, right? Guys, lots of selling came in today, nothing you can do, right? So buy signal was at 31, made it all the way up. This is too bad here to 35. Sellers coming big time, guys. Close at 30, so we got to get rid of that. EDR, okay. All right, that's holding there. Good. Breaking out. Good. Out of all of these, only one so far to close, right? Good. And those are not absolutely great setups either, but they're holding, they're buying. Sharp is good. Spot is good too. I think those are part of the Bullmaster Pro. All right. That's a range trade, so we're looking for a break. All right, so support down here, resistance, and we're looking for a break. All right, buy signal here, support. And with these are services, so we just send out a bunch of alerts. All right, because they're all moving. So you don't have to be perfect here. And that's Uber. All right, that's Uber there. All right. Out of all of this, only one, guys, only one totally broke down. Look at that. All right, so our stock boss traders, Bullmaster traders, especially Bullmaster, pay attention to what's going on here, okay? And we're in what, February? So we could get another, we got February, March, April, May. So we could have a good 3 months, all right, of buying here, all right, if nothing crazy happens and the markets hold, all right. They're all up. Look here, all up, all up, all up, all up. This is why we trade multiple systems and multiple markets. So if one market isn't cooperating, right, we can go to the next market. Okay, find some opportunities. We don't care. Bullmaster Pro. Let's see here. So at this point, we just need these to hold. All right. Just checking for sell signals. All right, good job. Okay. All right. Our US 30 traders. You guys notice we haven't sent out anything, any alerts, nothing on the US 30, okay? So if we're not sending out alerts to our traders, that's a sign that that market isn't healthy, okay? So just be aware of that. Be careful because the US 30 is in a tight consolidation, okay? I don't even want to pay attention to the other E-minis, right? Because they're not really moving either. Hold on. All right, but the US 30, especially here, if you guys can see that, very tight. Very tight. Look at that. There's nothing here, guys. Even if I know a lot of you like to trade the 5-minute time frame. This is the 60-minute time frame right here. Okay. And I brought this up here to really focus on this. There is nothing here. There's absolutely nothing to be traded here. All right, the US 30. And I know we have US 30 traders, a lot of US 30 traders, right? It's just tough right now. Okay, so just be careful. There's nothing here. There's nothing here, and this is going back quite a ways. The last the last time we had a decent trade was what's the it's the 18th, was basically the 20 January the 20th, so almost a month a month. And I think we've probably sent out in the last month probably one signal, right, in the last 30 days, max two, but I think probably one. It's There's nothing on the 60. And look at it, tide consolidation here. Now we could get a breakout, but right now very tight. All right, very tight, very tight. So just be aware of that. Okay, be aware of that. Same thing with forex. Okay, let's run heat seeker for stock boss. Bitcoin. I'll get with Bitcoin. I'll show you guys what's going on with Bitcoin. 64 in stock boss. Let's see services here. We don't have a lot of services. ComServe in stock boss. All right, we'll call this one. This is a communication services stock in stock boss. We'll call this one buy signal here. All right, fairly good setup. We have resistance here at 552. Buy signal came in at 472. Trading at closed at 502. So MPW in stock boss. Okay. All right. UDMY in stock boss. I'm sorry. Oh yeah. Okay. I thought that was healthcare. Yeah. So MPW, that's services there. UDMY, that's communication services. Nothing there. TDUP in stock boss there. And we have buyers on the weekly here, and buyers are on the daily here. All right, buy signal here hasn't gone too far though. Okay. HUYA in stock boss. Okay. GENI in stock boss. EWCZ. Remember, these are small caps, though, guys. We need the Russell, but hoping that the sector will drive these. Okay, sector is moving. Buyers are on the weekly there, and on the daily, EGHT in stock boss there. VIVI in stock boss. AIOT in stock boss. Good buyers here on the weekly. Let me bring in the weekly. Hold on. Weekly here, okay? LFMD in stock boss. right. COMP, I think we called this already. We'll add it again. That's gone. Good trade going there. AUR in stock balls. Okay. We're good on time. 20 minutes. Oh, I'm sorry. I went past. AUR, never mind. That's tech, guys. Don't do that one. COMP, I'm sorry. That's tech. Going through this quickly here. LFMD, I'm sorry. That's tech. And IO, so forget those. Those are tech. Okay. Going through those quickly there. Okay, Bullmaster. I want to see what's in Bullmaster. All right, let's run this. So 120, 127. That's a good number. Services, let's see here. All right, we got a good bit. Let's go through these here. With Bullmaster, what we want to see is reaccumulation, okay? Reaccumulation. All right. All right, buy signal here. We're breaking out here. That looks good there. FWRG. All right, and that's in Bullmaster. And that's services. Communication services, that's gone. TSSI, Bullmaster there. Lots of good buyers on the weekly there. FOXA, Bullmaster. All right, I know, guys, it's gone a little bit. The buy signal came in here, all right, at $50. It's at 56. All right, now, you know, in some of the systems, some of the other markets, we wouldn't do this, but we're trading on the daily here, okay? So, and look, I mean, look at the weekly here. Look at how it's trading. Look at it. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. I mean, it keeps moving higher. There's a good chance that this stock could move higher, okay? So that's why we'll call it. All right, TIMB, Bullmaster. All right, FLUT in Bullmaster. And we'll send this out to our Bullmaster traders. All right. If you're not with us, I always don't trade these. Use these to learn. Do not trade these, okay? Because otherwise you wouldn't know when to get out. All right. That's gone. All right. HT in Bullmaster. And these are all services. IMAX. IMAX. I think we might have this already. Or did we trade? We might have traded the previous, this one here. So a new one here. Yeah, we don't have this yet. That's a new one there, IMAX. I believe. It's hard to follow all of these. That's gone. VTR. Good trading there. VTR, Bullmaster. ATT, we already called that one. DUOL, I think we've called that one. We'll make sure we'll call it again. DUOL. It's still near its buy signal. Good price action there. All right. C and K. And we're still in services. Sharp. Sharp has good fundamentals, guys. That's that's in Bullmaster Pro. All right. Good fundamentals there. Good buyers. All right. If you guys are no guarantee, but if you guys are looking for a decent trade and you're with us, you're trading Bullmaster, that's not a bad one here. All right. All right. And it's got good fundamentals with it too. SHOP. Good buyers on the weekly, buy signal here. All right, buyers here on the daily there. Okay. SHOP. All right, DKNG. I believe we're in that one. We'll call it again. Dash. I think we're in Dash in Bullmaster Pro. We'll add it. It's gone a little bit here, but we're looking for a bigger move here with Dash, guys. It's got good fundamentals. 189, good one for options too. 211 there. So we'll call it DASH in Bullmaster. I believe we have it in Bullmaster Pro. Good fundamentals. CPGN. I'm sorry, CPNG. That's gone. Roku. Too choppy there. And that's gone there. Is that Kavana? CVNA, Bullmaster. All right, good buying here on the weekly, guys. Breaking resistance on the weekly. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Buy signal here. It looks good. You can't trade all of them, so just find your spot. Airbnb, I think we're in that one. We'll call Airbnb. It's got a, yeah, it's got a hold. Right, can't fill that gap. Airbnb. Palantar. All right, let's call that one. I think we missed calling it. But guys, it's really strong, so we're gonna call it here. It gap. The buy signal came in here right prior to that gap up. Okay, we totally missed it. All right. But the buy signal came in at 82. Look at the weekly here. Look at the monthly. I mean, look at the daily here. So I would say, if it gets back to that to the low here where it gapped up here, you might want to close it. So this is a little different trade because it's gone up, right? Right. Buy signal was here, it's all the way here. But based on how they're buying this, guys, it could move up much higher. Look at the weekly here, okay? So PLTR, and we'll leave the support line here. All right, let's call it the low here, to remind us there. Okay. So yeah, I would say, any type of like white candles, you might want to just get out because it is overbought. And that's tech, but we'll leave that there. All right. I've been following this. Good. This is a good stock here. I mean, a good move. Let's say not a good stock. A good move here. On the monthly time frame, let's see here. On the monthly, look at the monthly. Crazy, right? Look at the monthly here. Okay. And this is what this is AI, right? And the other AI stocks are not doing well at all. Nvidia is not breaking out, so it looks like all the money is going right here. All the AI money right now is going right there. Okay, so we've got quite a few there. Um, uh, a quick look at. Oh, I wanted to take a look at Bitcoin. Hold on. And then we'll be done. Forex. Guys, just trade Forex accordingly. All right, just trade Forex accordingly. Just too much consolidation in Forex. All right, I'm not gonna tell you guys not to trade because I know you guys are going to trade. Bitcoin on the daily time frame. All right, we're gonna call a sell. Okay, we have red candles came in here. All right, so right now Bitcoin is struggling, and just remember, you guys know this. Right, if Bitcoin is struggling, the other currency pairs will struggle too. I mean, you have some outliers out there, right, that will do their own thing, but all right, so we got some red candles. So we're going to call the sell signal. We got a red candle here. Okay, so we're going to call a sell signal on Bitcoin. You have strong support here, okay, which is what, at 90. And we'll end with this. All right, yeah. So right at 90, right here, strong support here. Okay, so just be aware of that. We're making lower highs. Lower highs keeps coming down, right? So it came from 107, 105, 103, 100. All right, 98, 97. It keeps coming lower. Red candles. All right, so 90, we have a big support here. If it breaks through that support, breaks and close, we could come all the way down lower, guys. There is no support, especially with this gap right here. There is nothing holding it after here. So Bitcoin could come all the way down to 70,000. I'm not saying it will, but that's what could happen, okay, if it breaks through, okay? Or we could see buyers come in and all of a sudden, right, breaking through, and just be aware of what's going on here, okay? All right, guys. All right, I know Forex isn't exciting right now. Um, hold on. So just be aware of that. See here on your 60-minute time frame, lots of consolidation. And if you guys look here, there's no consistency in the buying. So we have pound pairs, euro pairs. Oh, I do have some trades for you guys. Pound pairs, euro pairs, New Zealand pairs, euro, New Zealand. I mean, there's no real, right, one leader. And look at this, all of this consolidation in here. That's on the 60. That's the 240 here. Okay, and then that's the daily right here. All right, look at the daily right here. Okay, but I do have some trades. Was doing some coaching today, and we found some trades here. So, with one of our traders. So, pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. If you guys wanted to just trade something, all right, we do have buy signals. I mean, buyers are on the daily right there. Buy signal on the 240 right here. All right, and we're looking to break through that resistance. That's pound dollar. Okay. The next one, pound SGD. So pound SGD. We have buyers, small amount of buyers on the daily there. Buy signal here on the 240. So these are 240 trades. Okay. And wants to break through that resistance here. Here's your markup. So that's a reaccumulation trade there. Okay. So I mean, it's something. Resistance is here. Look at a lot of consolidation, guys. So this is not perfect, just something. You have to stay with these trades. HKD. All right, same thing here. So we'll send these out. Swiss, pound Swiss. All right, pound Swiss buy signal here. All right, very choppy in here, but if you can get past all of this mess, okay. All right. Pound CAD, same thing here. Buyers here. A lot of resistance here. Just be careful if you take any of these guys, okay? Yeah, mark down, mark up, okay? So it has been it's been difficult trading forex. It just has. Every time we think we've got to move, right? Even this here, I mean, this was considered a good move, right? This right here is considered a good move. All right, and that's nothing here. I mean, that's on the 240, a good move. That trade only lasted what? But 10 days, right? We need to see a good month. All right, in these on the 240. All right, so hopefully, guys, things will pick up. I mean, we keep saying that, but it is what it is. Okay. It is. I mean, we have a lot of traders that trade monster scalper. Okay. The majority, I would say a good 90, 98, 99% of our traders trade monster forex, monster scalper. Okay. So just be careful. Don't burn through your capital. You might want to go to a smaller time frame, perhaps a 30-minute time frame. Okay. To find some opportunities, or just find another market. Equities, right? Equities are moving. Okay, that's the solution. Equities. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. Okay. Good to see you guys. All right, Anthony. Good to see you, Antonio. And I'll see you guys later. I see you guys on Thursday. Take care. All right. Bye bye. Oh, hold on. Let's see here. Let's see data. Do we have data that could move things? That could move forex. Part of what's going on with forex too is the yen. Remember, the Japanese yen, the pound yen in particular, will move the market, and it's consolidating tightly. So Wednesday, Friday, no real data. No real data. So yeah, pound yen. So that you guys know what's going on. Say pound yen. Right here. Nothing is going on with pound yen. All right. Nothing here, guys. Nothing here. So that's why. All right, guys. I will see everyone on Thursday. Okay. Equities.